So in this, I did my stew first. I will do a video of that later. So I actually have a dried egusi in the house, but I added water, hot water to the egusi and poured it into my fried stew. I didn't stir it, so I left it, and now I want it to cook well. Yes, now I'm using SAWA fish, but it's my big mommy that is cooking today. So she's in the kitchen with me. We're in the kitchen together for the fish. You know, SAWA, it has plenty bone. But to make the bone soft, she actually added water and salt to the water she used to soak it for like few minutes. Boiled water and salt. She didn't boil it on the fire. So that the salt can penetrate into the fish and the bones can be soft also. So, see her beautiful face.
How are you?
She's telling you how are you also. Answer her. She took the pot and stirred it. The fish. So I will